Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error 0x80070141, then let's look for the solutions. So basically the first solution would be is to run the command, press Windows and R, and we run the command msdt.exe space hyphen id space device device diagnostic diagnostic. So once this command is entered in this run box, we press enter. We click on advanced and apply. This box should be checked, apply repairs automatically, and we click on next. Now this will detect the problems and should not result in the error code popping up again. But if that also doesn't work, then we have to do a check disk. We do that by looking for command prompt in the search bar, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we type the command chk dsk space hyphen f space slash r, and we press enter and we press Y, and this should resolve the problem. Now if these two options do not work, then we have to look at the outside of the system, that is the USB port. So what we have to do is we have to use a different USB port for the peripheral. So if I'm having, say, now a mic, so I remove, if this error message pops up and the mic is not working, I remove the USB port and I remove it from the USB port and I plug it into an other USB port on my laptop or desktop. And if none of these solutions work and the error message still pops up, then we will update the USB drivers. We do that by looking for device manager, click on it, look for USB, universal series bus controllers. Now I have 3 ports, so there are 3. So we right click and update driver, and this should resolve the error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.